What if I told you you can turn a blank page in a fully illustrated storybook for children? Like this one in under 5 minutes or lesser than that. And then just using some tools that's already sitting on your laptop. And we can do it exactly right now. No skills needed. No Photoshop, just Canva, Gemini, and one of the tools that I am obsessed right now is Kittl. So here's what are we going to cover in 3 parts. Number 1 is generating a magic image with Canva. And then how can you actually create a storybook with probably just using Gemini and building it into an actual storybook. Bring that page into life with a simple animation in Kittl. Stick around till the end and I'm going to show you the part makes people stop scrolling. And let's start with the image. So stick around till the end and I'll show you how do you use these 3 tools to create a storybook. So what I did first, I go to Claude and I ask Claude, hey Claude, can you just create a storybook, a Montessori storybook for kids that is fun to read with, and I wanted to create a PDF file to Canva and sell it on Etsy. So what Claude did, Claude asked me first, so what age group this storybook for, like for toddlers 2 to 4. I said, what theme or topic should the story be about? And I said I want it to be like everyday life skills, Montessori ones for kids that is helpful for kids. And how many pages spreads roughly? And I say it's like 8 to 10 pages maybe, because I don't want to be kids to get bored with what I have. So what Claude did, it generated a style guide for me in pages that I will just simply copy and paste to Magic Image Canva. So as you can see here on my screen, I divided it into 2. One is for my Canva and one is for my Claude. So for consistency, especially with the characters, we want it to be like the same characters every time. I have here, it says for Mia, which is the character's name, I wanted the toddler girl, like 3 years old, curly brown hair into 2 puffs and warm brown skin, yellow overall dressed with striped socks, bare feet, big joyful eyes. And also what's the style is like story, soft pastel children's books illustration, yellow, sage, pink, sky blue, thick friendly outlines and rounded shapes, textured paper, digital gush look, no text. And also it has the page prompts as well, which is where the story is. So I already created from page 1 till page 6 or 7. It's because I wanted to show you guys how did I do it. So what I did, open Canva, new design, and then I use the built-in magic media. So here's a shorter version for the key details that Canva needs for consistency. And also what just the difference is the page prompt. Like for example, in the first page, I copied the style in Mia, which is the character, and added the page 1 cover prompt. And then on the second page, I did it again, copy and paste the style in Mia and also the page 2 prompt. Okay, just to be consistent with the character. So once the generation is done, I usually use the tool Magic Layer. And why is that? Magic Layer, like with my past tutorial about Canva Magic Layer, it's really cool to use it because you were able to customize or add some more edits or like some personal touch to your illustration. I added this girl who is pouring a juice on a glass. So I used Magic Layer to separate all of the objects on the illustration. At the same time, I try to add some bear behind the table, just to add some more personal touch, some more characters, or if you wanted to add some more colors into that page. Because as much as I wanted to be, colorful, at the same time something it's appealing, especially with kids, because like my son, he likes colorful stuff, and it really gives them this kind of happy feeling whenever they see colors or toys in storybooks. And also, the cool part about this magic layer, you can even customize the text. So what I do is I just copy and paste the text. And also, you need to be careful as well. If the AI generator generated the text, sometimes the letters are wrong or the words are wrong. So with magic layer, you have the ability to edit or change the text with the image that they generated. So now we're done with Canva. We're not really that done with Canva, but like for example, you weren't able to get the same character that you have before. So what I do, I go to Gemini. I simply copy the prompt that I have from Claude and paste it on Gemini. And as you can see, I pasted everything on Gemini and download it as image. Now, the thing about images in Gemini, it has this their logo, the diamond one. And of course, we don't want that. So the trick here with Canva, you can just simply delete it with eraser, with the magic eraser, or you can just simply use the magic layer, because sometimes the magic layer divides the diamond itself from the image. So yeah, I download the second image, the one that she's getting up from the bed, and then I use magic layer again and take out the kid who is yawning, and then I just simply put it in front the blanket, so it looks like the girl and the blanket are all in the same place, or it's in the same artwork, like I didn't take out something from it. So now we're done with Gemini. This is only one of the options that I have. For example, if Canva is not generating the same characters that I have already with Canva, so I go to Kittl. Kittl is a really powerful tool, because you can simply create like a UGC videos with it, animated videos with it, with just some simple prompt. Sorry, that's my cat. So now we're on Kittl. What I did on Kittl, I just simply copy and paste the prompt again from Claude that I have. And also you need to be careful on which AI generator that you're going to use. Like for example, with this one, I will use ChatGPT image 2. ChatGPT image 2, because there's a lot of AI generators here, and it will simply create another one, which is this girl that looks like a realistic one, because I use another AI generator. So as much as possible, try to use the same AI generator that you have. But there's also one option, Kittl AI Flow or Kittl Flow. We're just going to create a Kittl Flow. That one is very easy as well to use. Now we have this, the character that we have, the same in Canva. So this is the artboard. I will create an AI board and describe what you want to create. So I will just copy and paste again the AI prompt that I have from Claude. Hold on a second. There we go. Because we want it to be consistent. There. And then we'll just simply generate it. And let's wait for a few minutes or seconds. with Kittl. It's really a versatile type of tool, especially if you're running a small business and if you are a mom. If you want to create like a UGC videos with your products, or even if you wanted to cater some UGC videos to other brands. And also the powerful thing about Kittl, you can create a lot of images that you can sell on Etsy. I have like a discount coupon down below. Just go click that link below. See how amazing is it? It's consistent, the face of the character and the objects and everything. I really like Kittl because it's more consistent in terms of creating the characters than Canva or Gemini. But so far so good. By using these tools, you can simply create some amazing storybooks or animation. Now for animation, what I did here, so I have already a prompt here. I already have an artwork here. What I asked Kittl just to animate it, and here's the animation. And it has a sound too. Look how crazy is it? See? But with this thing, you need to be you need to subscribe with Kittl if you wanted to create some videos like this. See? It's so fun. And I don't want to finish my credits, so I didn't create the full storybook, but here's a glimpse on how do you do it with Kittl. And I really hope that you learned something from today's video. Again, my name is Charlene and I'm a small business owner here in the UAE, sharing you what I learned and what I know about running a small business from home, and also the tools that I'm using to make this everything work. So yeah.